Good morning, Sunrise. I'm Justin, and we are thrilled you joined us for worship this morning. If you're visiting for the first time, well, it's nice to meet you. We would like to get to know you and your family, so grab one of these blue cards from the chair in front of you, fill it out, turn it into the Welcome Center on your way out today. Now, here are just a few things that are happening around Sunrise. The leaves are changing and everything is pumpkin. That means it's Thanksgiving time. Following service on Sunday, November 22nd, we want you and your family to join us for our annual Thanksgiving Bring-In Meal to celebrate Thanksgiving as a church family. Come join us for this time of food, fellowship, and most of all, a time to give thanks to God for the things with which He has blessed us. That very same Sunday, we will be collecting a special love offering during the morning worship service. We ask that you prayerfully and generously give so that we can keep our ministry programs funded. God has blessed each one of us, and He asks us to give generously.
Hey everyone, I'm Elaine. Our yearly fundraiser, the Craft Bazaar, is on Saturday, November the 21st from 9 to 2 here at the church. We use this money to help Sunrise as much as we can. Like the pew Bibles under the seats in front of you, those were purchased by the money we have raised in the past from the Craft Bazaar. We feel very passionate about what the fundraiser funds can do for the kingdom of God right here at our own church. We also use the money to help people in needs in our community. Please mark your calendars. We have really low prices on Christmas gifts, decorations, and unique things you'll not find anywhere else. Please come out on November the 21st from 9 to 2. Thank you.
Our Sunday night services have been a refreshing time of singing and learning. On Sunday, November 15th, we reach the end of our fall term and will have our last night service of the year. Don't miss out on these last couple of meetings. And get fired up for the new term starting after the new year. We'll kick off with a guest speaker who I hear is quite handsome and well-spoken. We really hope you can make it. Did you know that we are raising money for bathroom renovations by selling our trash? Please help us out by bringing in your crushed aluminum cans any Sunday morning and giving them to either me or Chris Evans. That's the handsome fellow that sits over there. We'll take them to the recycling center and collect the money. So far, we've raised over $40. Wow! Keep bringing in those cans. In a few moments, we'll have the opportunity to honor God with our giving. If you'd like to give today, we have two options for you. Cash or check goes in those black boxes by the door on your way out. Credit or debit cards accepted online by visiting our website at sunrisechristianonline.com/give. I hope to see you tonight for the Sunday night service at 6 p.m. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make His face to shine upon you and be gracious to you. May the Lord lift His countenance upon you and give you peace. You are dismissed.